Activate Blippi Station. It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi Wonders. Fetch, D.Bo.
Whoa! I should have built a bigger moat.
Sorry about your castle, Krabby.
Oh, it's okay. There's plenty of sand to rebuild it.
Good question, D.Bo. I wonder, where does sand come from?
To answer that, you'll have to go to the top of Mount Peaky.
To the top of Mount Peaky we go. I'm gonna need wings and frog legs.
Wings, frog legs, confirmed.
The Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure. Whoa! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.Bo.
Hey there, I'm Dwayne the Boulder. I just woke up from the best dream. I was a grain of sand living atop a sand castle in a beach paradise.
That's so cool!
And I want to make my dream a reality. Erosion is a process that usually takes millions of years. But let me break it down for you. Cannonball! Look, I'm already smaller. Erosion usually takes so long, but I'm feeling ambitious today.
Yeah, let's go! Activate propeller!
Propeller, confirmed.
I'm having a lot of fun, Blippi.
Me too.
Whirlpool! Whoa! Erosion makes me dizzy. Water slowly breaks down rocky surfaces, but this whirlpool is really speeding things up.
Activate turbo booster!
Whoa! Look how small I am!
Shrinking down! Wow, Wayne, you're so small we can barely keep up.
Here's the secret to keeping up. You gotta... Whoa!
Catch that fish! Whoa, Wayne, you're tiny.
Yup. Even fish play a part in the process of erosion. Now let's go find my dream castle.
Whoa!
Oh boy, here we go!
Ah, there! My sandcastle's complete!
Ha! I did it! My dream came true! Thanks for being a gem during my erosion.
It was a blast. And I got the answer to my question. Where does sand come from? Sand comes from big boulders as they break into smaller pieces through a process called erosion, which usually takes millions of years. Upload answer, D.Bo. Bye-bye!
Goodbye!
See you later!